course up on the hills nearby. Clint Eastwood's home course, of course. Seaside, California is home. And that was a pretty good effort up that slope for home. They're also careful that they don't want to stand in the pros' lines. A little earlier, Chris O'Donnell. Very makeable putt here, about 12 feet. Good looking stroke.
Where is that blue orange though? I'll take the green. No, there it is.
Not bad though. Checking with Nick Saban now at the home hole.
Just off the edge here at 18. It's a nice follow through, but it's enough, hard enough.
What are you up to over there, hon?
Harris Park, the old 49er Super Bowl winning lineman. Gonna snap it back to Bill Murray. They're on the 15th tee. They're going long. Touchdown 49ers.
This is counterclockwise. So I go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Broke my record. That's it for today. 108, 61.
What's the deal?
It's fast. It's 4G.
Thanks, honey.
Hey, Kevin, dumbass.